today's video ay sasamahan nyo kaming mag-picnic ng aking kaibigan sa Madyas. Ayan, so kausap ko siya kanina and maliligo daw siya. So habang naliligo siya, pupunta na ako sa restaurant kasi hindi ako nagluto guys. Kailangan namin ng food. Siyempre, pag picnic, kailangan ng madaming food. Ayan, so pupunta ako sa Filipino restaurant. Bibili siguro ako ng pansit at saka chicken barbecue kasi ang niluto ko lang guys is rice. Ayan, and sa baba naman sa groceries, kukuha na lang ako ng mga drinks doon. Ayan, so yun lang guys. Tapos nagdala ako ng carpet. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung ilalatag mo. Kasi gusto ko yung ma-feel yung talagang picnic, as in picnic, yung nakaupo ka sa damuhan. Ganon. By the way, this is my OOTD. This is my OOTD. Ayan. So, nakapang-taglamig ako guys kasi sobrang lamig dito sa Dubai ngayon. Ayan. So, I'm wearing the pink one, knitted from Shein, and this is my favorite pants. Ayan siya. Okay, let's go guys! Let's check the phone first.
I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah, and there's one thing that I need from you.
We're here na sa Madyas guys, and ayan, maglalatag kami ng
We
carpet.
can find the sun's down, riding on these highs, waiting for the countdown. Walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently, just glad that yeah. I'm trying to realize
Dalawa lang po kami,
it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination,
Relax ka din sa phone.
and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Guys, so ito yung aming baon. May pansit bihon kami. And then, si Barbie nagdala siya ng hotdog na walang itlog, guys. And then the ricey. And then the turon. And we have also the barbecue, chicken barbecue, guys. And we have chicken lumpia. Ayan, and meron siyang dalang
On the screen.
ano to? Dilis from Philippines, guys. Ayan, and meron kaming cake, guys. Ito yung ano. Ito yung sa Filipino store na binili ko. Ayan. Egg pie pala to, egg pie. Ayan. That's our food, guys. And we have drinks, apple juice, shani, labon. Ayan. Wala nga lang kaming tubig, guys. Okay lang yon. Okay lang. May juice naman. May juice naman siya. Ayan. So, let's eat, guys. Let's eat na. Kakatuwa. Daming bitbit samantalang ako yung bitbit mo.
Ooh, yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Sarap. So, kain
nag-extend ka, 3.30. Hanggang 7:45. Extension.
Ooh, yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. Went to bed at noon. Couldn't put my phone down. Scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me. Just faces on a screen. Yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come